आणि एक आमकां असो स्टॉल मेळ्ळो जो सायन्स फिल्म फेस्टिवल ऑफ इंडिया हांगासर जो म्हणजे लेदर प्रोडक्ट्सांचो आणि तो तेची खासियत म्हणजे ते जे करपी आसा तेंचो स्टॉल आसा ते भायल्या चेन्नईच्यान येयलेले आसा. सर वेलकम टू द शो.
Yes, sir.
वॉट इज द नेम?
My name is Govindarajan. I am
Yeah.
from CLR in Chennai.
What are the products you have at the Science Film Festival?
Yeah, we have a lot of products. First, I will explain the latest project as Indian National Footwear Sizing Project. It's a new project. So we have carried out throughout India. It's a pan-India project. So we have taken almost 1 lakh measurements, foot measurements throughout India. This main objective was at present we are following the British system, British and European system. We don't have an Indian sizing system. So Prime Minister of India is a national project, Government of India project funded by Ministry of Commerce under DPIIT.
Yeah.
So we have carried out survey throughout India and taken 1 lakh measurements. Now the standardization part is going up. Maybe after some time we will get the Indian foot sizing system. Indian size we get exactly. Yeah. That is a main. It's a new project actually.
So how do you think it will help the Indian people?
Yeah, that is actually every country they have their own sizing system. See, suppose we have suppose you are going to buy size 8. Suppose that is not fit, then obviously you have to go for a size 9. We don't have a half sizes. In international they have a half sizes, 8, 8.5, 9, 9.5, and that is one thing. And another thing is they have a different girth. Here we don't have a different girth. Suppose your foot is wide, you have to go for a cobbler only to make a customized footwear. So that is where we are lacking here. So once the standardization is done, everyone will get the exact fitting. Exact fitting. Yeah.
Okay, so you want to now explain about the other products?
Yeah, this product